Hey friends, it's Abby from Chic Peach. It's about 9 o'clock on a Thursday night. I just got my son to bed, and let me tell you, this week has been rough. Yesterday I was in the ER in the morning and found out that I have bronchitis after our son gave my husband and me both a cold. Mine turned into bronchitis because I am pregnant and my immune system is basically gone. I've been feeling better today, and I've been trying to clean my house for the last week. Not just to clean my house, but trying to find a missing AirPod piece. As of right now, I've still not found that missing piece, and it has been gone for almost a week at this point. Today, what I did find was another missing AirPod piece that I lost about a year ago. April of last year. So this was my original set of AirPods, and I ended up having one of my AirPods go through the wash, and I thought, oh shoot, well that's it. So I bought myself a replacement pair, and I got the Pros, and then I put my initials on them. Well, these ended up still working, and I was like, well, I already got myself a new set, so I just started using these all the time. Well, I ended up losing one of these, and I was like, gosh dang it, why can't I just keep things where they should be? So I didn't really look too hard because I had a full set that I was using on a regular basis. Well, now that this piece is gone, I found the missing piece of the old set. I'm disappointed that I haven't found this piece. And it even got to the point where I went through the trash bags outside in the dumpster and did not take it to the street because I had not looked through the trash yet. The fact that I found the missing piece to my old set is a huge win. So give me another year and I'll probably find the missing piece to this one. Now, the real reason why I am filming for you tonight is because I still have more to clean. I mean, it's been just crazy, and I've been cleaning nonstop, what feels like for my whole life, yet nothing ever seems to stay clean. Of course, that's just how it goes. So I'm going to clean up a little bit in here today, and then we are actually going to do a little bit of redecorating. Now, I didn't have to buy new rugs, but I did, because as much as I love my rugs here in the kitchen, I ended up messing them up in the dryer. So pro tip, if you have the non-slip rugs, do not dry them with heat, because they will start to shed. Whether it's in your dryer, on your kitchen floor, anytime you pick it up, you will have little pieces and flakes of rubber coming off. So I love the design, but we have a non-stop amount of little rubber pieces shedding anytime we move these rugs, and it's getting a little bit annoying to me. So I decided to get a new set of rugs, and these old ones will be donated. They are actually going to be given to one of my aunts who shelters dogs, and she has hardwood floors, so she likes to put rugs wherever she can, and she doesn't care that they're shedding rubber. She's just happy to have rugs for the dogs. So these will be put to great use, and I'm glad that they can go to somebody who will appreciate them. I love them still, but it was time. It was time for the upgrade. It's okay. I've gotten over it. It's just that time. And now with redecorating, I am going to put out my new bouquet from Rose Forever. I actually have partnered with Rose Forever before, and they sent me this amazing, beautiful bouquet as an early Mother's Day gift. Thank you guys again. I adore this. They typically have roses, but these are hydrangeas. Aren't they just beautiful? So yeah, I'm obsessed. When we're decorating, I will share some more information about them, but yeah, I'm really excited to decorate with this. So while I'm cleaning, I do want to give you a little bit of a backstory about how we all got sick. Now, I have no idea where my son got this cold from, but it ended up turning into an ear infection. So he ended up getting on antibiotics. Like, this cold was really tough on our son, Oliver. So by the time we got him into the doctor, he had fluid in his ears, we got him on the antibiotics. He's just now starting to act like himself again, and it's been 2 to 3 weeks since he first started getting sick. So it's whatever we all got was pretty brutal. And then naturally, my husband had to go away on a work trip, and he's been gone all week, but now I'm home with our son, single mom in it, and like normally that'd be fine. it is fine. I really enjoy having this one-on-one time with my son, but I am 25 weeks pregnant and a bit uncomfortable already. And then when you throw in getting a cold on top of that, it got pretty tough. So I started experiencing some chest pain, and I'd never experienced this before. I had no idea if it was something with the baby or what. Like I've never had bronchitis before. So my chest pain got so bad. Tylenol wouldn't help because that's really all I can take right now being pregnant. And I thought, okay, maybe it's heartburn, but I have heartburn all the time, so I'm taking Tums all day and it was not helping. The next morning I went into the ER. I was there for hours, running all these tests, trying to figure out if it had anything to do with the baby, and we figured out it was bronchitis. So thankfully it had not turned into pneumonia. I have been trying to take it easy ever since finding out exactly what's going on. Hopefully that it does not turn into pneumonia. We are also supposed to be leaving in a few days for Nashville and spending a week there for a family wedding. Now, if I get pneumonia, I cannot go to Nashville. We will not be going to Nashville. We will have a lot of money wasted. So please, fingers crossed that we can go to Nashville. So by the time you see this video, my husband will be home. We will probably be on our way to Nashville. I think my chest pain is getting better since yesterday, but I don't know. I have a follow-up appointment with my doctor tomorrow to see how everything is doing, and fingers crossed I can fly to Nashville in a few days as planned. But if not, I will prioritize absolutely my health and the health of my baby. And if for some reason we can't make it to that wedding, then that's just life. But big fingers crossed, lots of fingers crossed that this bronchitis is on its way out, nothing gets worse, that we all stay healthy, and we can go on our trip as planned. And one of my cravings right now is oranges. Specifically mandarin oranges. So quick funny story about these oranges. I ordered groceries for pickup and I ordered 3 packs of Halo's oranges. And the guy said something to me about, like, I don't know if I heard him incorrectly. I don't exactly know what he said. But he said something about like feeding the animals with all of these oranges that I had. And I was like, oh yeah, lots of kids at home. They love oranges. And then I get in my car and I just laugh because I'm literally the only person eating oranges in this house. So it's really just baby and me eating an absurd amount of oranges. I don't know if you caught that, but I had to cross my legs so I could sneeze. Let's see these rugs. So we have this rug by the refrigerator, and then we have this rug across the floor by our sink and dishwasher. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the rubber is flaking off pretty bad, and we've just had a lot of rubber come off, and I would just prefer to let this go to another home. Oh yeah, it's already getting all over my clothes. Yeah, lots of different specks on the floor. Now, because my son is in bed right now, I will not be using our vacuum to pick up this stuff, and we have a vacuum that you can use on hardwood flooring. Otherwise I would sweep. I just don't really have the patience for sweeping tonight. I will vacuum this all tomorrow. New rugs coming through. There. Okay, one down, one to go. Okay. There we go. There's still so much rubber everywhere. Now I have a little bit of a dilemma. So this portrait, I bought it and I thought it would look great with our kitchen because we have dark cabinets. This is a dark frame. The sunflower is yellow, just like our glorious countertops. You either love them or you hate them, but we can't change them. The beauty of being renters. It just does not go with the design of our new rugs. And I do like to decorate and redecorate from time to time. I think it just gives our house a little extra spice here and there. I do tend to get bored with different things after too long, so I need to figure out something else to put there. And I've been looking around like Hobby Lobby, Target. I haven't checked Walmart yet. I wasn't finding the right stuff in store, but then when I looked on Amazon, I was like, oh my gosh, there's way too much to pick from. I can't. So I will probably just keep an eye out for whatever I find, and when I see it, I'll know. I'll know it's the right one, but I'm not gonna stress out about finding the perfect decor just because I got new rugs. I'll wait and I'll find something perfect when it's the right time. We also have a lot of stuff on our refrigerator right now, and I don't want to talk about it. Nope. Rose Forever. I talked about them in another one of my videos, and I should show you that bouquet here too because I've had it since last fall and it still looks brand new. It's incredible. It is so incredible how these flowers can stay preserved for so long. Now this is the bouquet that they sent me for Mother's Day. They are hydrangeas. These are actually real flowers. They last for at least 1 full year. I don't know how they figured it out, but they preserve these flowers and they stay beautiful for a long time. So to me, I kill flowers so easily. Plants and me are not a good mix. I have one plant that I can keep alive and that's all I can commit to. So when it comes to these, there's just something about real flowers. I know that real and artificial can have the same effect on you mentally, but when it comes to flowers, I do think that real flowers look better. So when these last for a minimum of a year, that's a win for me. I'm sold. This actually is ceramic right here. A lot of their other bouquets are velvet, so that's interesting. They do also have some acrylic options if you want to have like a little storage option. I have my eyes on those. But for now, I cannot thank Rose Forever enough for partnering with me and for this gift. As a gift to you guys, they are offering $30 off if you want to purchase one of your own. Mother's Day is coming up, so whether it's for someone in your life or for yourself, there's no shame in that. You get yourself a Mother's Day gift if you want. I highly recommend these people. Everything's natural, vegan. This company really is great and I cannot say enough great things about them. So give them a follow. I'll link them down below in the description. But this is my new bouquet, my new floral arrangement, and I'm gonna have it for the next year at least. Typically in this corner, we have our bowl of fruit, whether it's oranges, apples, and then we'll have some bananas hanging here as well. I think it's time to put the chocolate away. I don't know, it doesn't really go with the aesthetic, and we can grab chocolate just as easily from inside a cabinet than on the counter. Oh, there we go. So even though the old rugs technically might work better with like the dark wood and the yellow countertops and just like the really old, not old, but the older style of this kitchen, I do think that the new rugs are more versatile. So depending on when this kitchen is updated, because I know that our landlords are planning to do that in the next 1 to 3 years, I don't really know what style they're gonna pick for a kitchen, and I think these rugs will probably be better off with whatever new style they pick, or at least I hope so. Or if the housing market decides to cut us a break and we end up finding a house that we can buy affordably that doesn't have an outrageous interest rate and price on it, then I don't know what our new kitchen is gonna look like. And these rugs will probably be more likely to match the new kitchen than what our old rugs were. But either way, I'm happy to give these rugs to my aunt who has dogs coming in and out of her home that are fostered, who have been abused, and she's working to make those dogs better. Make them trust humans and get them ready for a family to adopt them. So whatever I can do to help her and the dogs that she fosters makes me happy. Now, before I forget, This is my other bouquet from Rose Forever that I got before Thanksgiving. So it still looks brand new, like freshly picked roses. I cannot say enough amazing things about Rose Forever. So check out all their information in the description of this video. And for now, I'm just gonna keep adoring my floral arrangements that don't die on me, that I don't have to keep alive because they're preserved. I think it's time for me to take some medicine and go to bed. So wish me luck for tomorrow. By the time you see this video, I'll probably have an update here for you in the description, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, fingers crossed, wish me luck. The bronchitis is going away. We can go on our trip in a few days. My husband will be home tomorrow. Everything will be great. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications if you want to be updated whenever I post new content. That's all for tonight, for today, whenever you watch this video. I do have an update coming for you guys on my pregnancy and the nursery that we're transforming for both of our boys. Yes, it is a boy, but make sure to stay tuned for that. Give me a follow and check in with me in the comments. Let me know how you're doing. That's it for tonight. See you guys later. Oh, one more thing. That's our baby. This was from a little while ago, but that's him. Isn't that so cool that you can basically see his face? I know it's black and white and there's a bunch of stuff around him, but that's my boy. That's our boy. We'll see you in a few months.